Today I will be showing you my PowerPoint and Prezi presentation. As you can see, I had transitions on every side. I also had an animation which rotated, and you probably can't hear, but it did have a sound. And I also created a shape. Some more transitions, and this was taking a shape and cropping a picture into it, which was another feature. Some more transitions and clip art. Transition, and this is a shape that will shimmer at the push of a button. And this is another animation with more sound if you couldn't hear it. And that is it for my PowerPoint. This is my Prezi. So I have some definitions and subcategories. These are icons you can add in. Here I was able to create 2 subcategories. This was adding a shape. And the last slide had another little clip. And that is it. Thank you.